Use a stiff paper like cardstock and cut out a circle. You can use decorative scissors to get an edge that's easier to turn. Determine the center of the circle and poke a hole. I found it was easier to use a slim paintbrush to make the hole round. Lay the circle on the page, I'm using 3 on this page, and determine where the center of the hole will be. Make sure your edges extend beyond the page, then poke a matching hole through the page. Use brads to test fit the spinners. Then remove them and determine where your open windows will be. Cut through the page, being sure not to cut through any more pages. Put the discs back on the brads so you can mark where the designs underneath will go. Mark, then turn the disc. Repeat until you fill the discs. Remove them and add the images or words onto the discs. For this page, I've decided to paint over my original colors. I have a design in mind. I'm going to slip a piece of paper behind each side so I don't get paint on the other pages that I've got in my sketchbook. Now that the paint is dry, I can slide my papers away. Now I can add the spinning discs back in. Make sure the brads lay flat on the back. To finish the page, apply glue around the edges, being sure to leave enough space so the disc doesn't get bound up. After you add the glue, you can press the edges together and trim if they need it. I added some sparkle to finish off my page. This is the constellation Pisces. That's my astrological sign. I hope you find a fun way to include a volvelle, you can call it a spinner, in your sketchbook.